Breakfast. Grade 6, Term 1. Unit objectives. What are the objectives? The things that you are going to learn in this unit. The objectives of Unit 4 are: number 1, to differentiate between foods and drinks. So what are foods? Foods are things that we eat, like chocolate, apples, oranges, dates, yogurt. All these things are foods. What about drinks? Drinks are things that we drink, like water, coffee, tea, orange juice, apple juice, milk. Number 2, use the adverbs of frequency correctly. Always. The adverbs of frequency are always, sometimes, and never. How to use them? If you do something every day, we should use always. If you do something, not every day, 50% of the time you do it, you use sometimes. If you never ever do it, you put never. Okay. Number 3, answer questions using adverbs of frequency. So we're going to answer questions using adverbs of frequency. Number 4, talk about our favorite foods and drinks, or your favorite. The student should be able to talk about her favorite food and drink. What is the favorite thing that you like to eat? What is your favorite food? What is the favorite drink? Something that you really like to eat. For example, I really like seafood. Some people like chicken. Some people like meat. It's a personal preference. Number 5, ask questions about breakfast using adverbs of frequency. You're going to ask, what do you have for breakfast? For example, I'm going to say, I always have bread and cheese for breakfast, or I sometimes have cereal, and I never have spaghetti for breakfast, like this. Also, we have, after that, we have number 6, mention the etiquette of eating in Islam. The etiquette of eating in Islam is, as Rasul mentioned to the young boy who was eating, Ya ghulam, سم الله وكل بيمينك وكل مما يليك. So we should always mention God's name or Allah's name, eat with our right hand, and eat from the food in front of us. Then we have, after that, number 7, name different foods in English. For example, if you look at the picture, if the picture is dates, you're going to say these are dates. If the picture shows eggs, these are eggs. Or yogurt, you write like that. You're going to say each food, what kind of food, or the name of the food, or whatever. Okay. Number 7, identify the true information about Ali and Tom. What is true? You're going to put T. If it's correct, you're going to put T. If it's not, you're going to put false. That's it. Objectives of lesson 2 are: number 1, to write sentences about food the student eats, or the student or she eats. You're going to write sentences about, for example, I have eggs for breakfast, I have eggs and cheese, or whatever you eat, you write it down. Okay. Number 2, write down different kinds of food under the given pictures. You have given pictures, certain pictures at the end of the unit. You're going to write under each picture what it is, what kind of food it really is. For example, bread, cheese, whatever, like this. Number 3, produce the sounds of ska and its corresponding spelling. Ska, SK, SC, and SQ. This is going to be in the phonics section, inshallah. I will clarify this point. Then we have, after that, talk about things Muslims always do to thank Allah. What do? We give charity or sadaqah. We help people out who are hungry or in need, give them some food if we have a little bit extra. And always remember that there is always someone to help. and to be kind to each other. Use appropriate adverbs of frequency to complete sentences about food. We mean by appropriate means like the right thing, whether it's always, sometimes, or never. These are the adverbs of frequency we're going to take this year. The last objective of this unit or lesson is going to be to combine two sentences using some conjunctions. What do we mean by conjunctions? هي زي ما يقولوا حروف العطف بالعربي conjunction، تربط بين الجملتين، بين جملة وجملة، بدل ما أنا أكرر الجملة وأرجع أحط full stop والجملة تصير عندها ركيكة و the sentence will become weak. What do? We use conjunctions to join sentences together, right? We have the conjunctions and, but, then correctly. How do you use them? I will tell you, inshallah. Ready? Okay, that's cool. New words of Unit 4. The first new word is breakfast. Breakfast. Again, repeat, breakfast. Breakfast. 2, dates. 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 الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم always said about dates what? بيت لا تمر فيه جياع أهله. So we should always have some dates in the house. They have so many health benefits. Number 3, oranges. Number 3, oranges. Again, oranges. Oranges. Number 4, eggs. Number 4, eggs. Number 4, eggs. Number 5, honey. Number 5, honey. Number 5, honey. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran about the honey. فيه شفاء, and he said فيه شفاء للناس. So what is honey in Arabic? Think. Yogurt. Number 6, yogurt. Number 6, yogurt. 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 Number 6, yogurt. Number 7, tea. Number 7, tea. Number 7, tea. Number 7, tea. Number 8, coffee. Number 8, coffee. Number 8, coffee. This is my favorite drink. I love coffee. Any kind of coffee, I'm all out for it. Arabic coffee, cappuccino, any kind of coffee. I love coffee. Number 9, jam. Number 9, jam. Number 9, jam. Number 10, bread. Number 10, bread. Number 10, bread. Number 11, cheese. Number 11, cheese. Number 11, cheese. Number 12, olives. Number 12, olives. Number 12, olives. Number 12, olives. Breakfast, lesson 1. Unit 4, lesson 1, activity 1. Read and number. We're going to read here the names of the things, then we're going to number each thing. Number 1, we have dates. 2, cheese. 3, coffee. 4, honey. 5, olives. 6, yogurt. 7, bread. 8, jam. 9, eggs. 10, orange juice. So number 1, the dates. Which picture is dates? Number 1, C. So number 1, it is C. Number 1, dates. So picture C, put number 1. 2, cheese. Which one is cheese? Which picture? E. So E, put beside E number 2. Put beside E number 2. 3, coffee. Where's the coffee? Picture B. So 3, B, put number 3. In front of picture B, put number 3. 4, honey. So honey, which one is the picture of honey? G. In front of G, put number 4. Number 4 in front of G. So G is number 4. Number 5, olives. So H, number 5, olives. H5. 6, yogurt. Which one is yogurt? J is yogurt. So we're going to put in front of J, letter J, put number 6. Then we have number 7, bread, which is A. Yes. Bread, A. In front of A, put 7. In front of A, put 7. Number 8, jam. So that will be picture F. So F8. F8. Number 9, eggs, which is picture D. So picture D, put number 9. In front of picture D is eggs, so put number 9. Number 10, orange juice. That is picture I, number 10. Picture I, 10. In front of I, put 10. That's it. Unit 4, Lesson 1, Activity 3. Listen, read, and circle T if it's true or F if it's false. Tom, this food is nice. Ali, yes, it's delicious. Tom, are these dates? Ali, yes, they are. Tom, do you always have dates for breakfast? Ali, no, I sometimes have dates for breakfast, but I always have bread and cheese. Tom, do you drink coffee? Ali, no, I never drink coffee. What about you? Tom, no, I never drink coffee, but I sometimes drink tea. I'm going to repeat the conversation. Unit 4, Lesson 1, Activity 3. Put T for true or F for false. Circle F for false. Tom, this food is nice. Ali, yes, it's delicious. Tom, are these dates? Ali, yes, they are. Tom, do you always have dates for breakfast? Ali, no, sometimes I have dates for breakfast, but I always have bread and cheese. Tom, do you drink coffee? Ali, no, I never drink coffee. What about you? Tom, no, I never drink coffee, but I sometimes drink tea. So now we're going to, after we finish listening to the conversation, we are going to put T if it's true or F if it is false. Ready? Number 1. Ellie always has dates for breakfast. True or false? What did we say? Always or sometimes? Think. So F. So F because it's false. It's not always. Okay, number 2. Ali always has bread for breakfast. Yes or no? Bread and cheese, yes. So, yeah, I guess. Number 3. Ali sometimes drinks coffee. F, because Ali never drinks coffee. Tom never drinks coffee. T. Tom never likes coffee. He drinks tea sometimes. But I answered my question for the number 5. Tom sometimes drinks tea. Okay. So we're going to go back again and do it. Ali always has dates for breakfast. No, false, because he sometimes. Ali always has bread for breakfast. Yes, it's true. He has it with tea, with cheese. I mean. Number 3, Ali sometimes drinks coffee. False. He never drinks coffee. Tom. Number 4, Tom never drinks coffee. Tea. The number 4 is true. Number